Ready, go.
Go!
Go! Cowboy in training. Yay! What are you doing there, little girl? Landon, what are you doing? He's been running around in circles for like 5 minutes. Run, buddy, run! Woo! Say woo! This is all he's been doing since he woke up from his nap. With his cowboy hat. Olivia, don't think that you're being sneaky. I see you under there. With my water? Uh-oh, now Landon wants some. Come on, buddy, go run. Ready, go. Go, go, go.
Go, go.
Go, go, go.